There's an epidemic of something happening in our culture, all ages. What is it? It's called our eyes that are tired from computer time, Zoom time, being on technology, whether it's phones, whether it's tablets, iPads, computers, and it's impacting children this year because many children, students, are online doing school, and it's causing major havoc. Everything from complete exhaustion, eye fatigue, reduced vision, overwhelm, meltdowns, insomnia. The list goes on and on. Why is that happening? You see, our brain is the biggest user of energy in our entire body, and within our brain, it's our eyes, and we're putting more demands on our eyes than ever before. We're setting more than ever before. I want to give you some very simple tips. They don't cost you anything. Well, the glasses would, but you're not buying them from us. I want to give you tips that are helping not only us and clients, but children. So let's take a look at a few of the resources that we use. Now, when I'm reading on my tablet, I don't need glasses. I know that's pretty special. Not readers, not anything, because I've taken good care of my eyes and I do eye exercises. So these are simple, inexpensive computer glasses that you can purchase online. There's no prescription in it, but it blocks a lot of the blue rays, blue light coming from my tablet into my eyes. So I use this when I'm reading. Now, when I'm at the computer, which is a little bit different distance. At distance and long distance is where I need single vision correction. So these are my glasses for that. And I didn't like doing this because it didn't fit and it irritated me. So Forrest, being the genius that he is, found clip-ons. No, they're not a fashion statement, but they're just for me when I'm at home working at the computer to block everything coming at me from the computer. So this works really, really well. Now, children, this is a big deal. Children, grandchildren being at Zoom online, whether it's kindergartners. You know, I've got one friend that's got a kindergartner that's going to school from 8:15 to 2:15 on the computer doing 11 activities. And it's just causing massive difficulty. So this is a children's version of this. So depending on the age, you can get children's computer glasses. These are inexpensive. Most of these run maybe $10, $12. You can find some that look a little bit nicer. Our daughter went for some that were a little more of a fashion statement. I was just after whatever worked. So those are glasses that can make a huge difference in eye fatigue. And play with it, see what you notice. Take maybe half a day and just do your normal, and then maybe do the next day, throughout the day doing this, and see what you notice. What Forrest and Anna now notice is if they're not wearing it, it's almost an instant headache. So they have a little litmus test that they can look at. Now I want to show you some of the resets that I do for myself. I help them with clients because you want to take stress off the brain. Because if this is the inside of your brain, this is the dura, this is back here at the brainstem cerebellum, this is the optic nerve that comes out right here, comes through here, pituitary sets here, this is the area that allows the brain to drain. If there's stress anywhere around here, it's a problem. Optic nerve is one of the areas that really impacts your brain. So I'm going to show you about 4 or 5 little resets that you can do. You could set a timer. You could do them at least once a day. You could do them morning, lunch, after work, or at the end of the day. You could even maybe take a minute every hour and do it. So first one I want to show you has become my all-time favorite. It's brand new. I've just learned it in the last month. And you're going, how come I don't know about all these, Cheryl? Well, maybe you're not getting our newsletter, or maybe you're not in our easy community. You can check out all those options on our website, lifestyleforhealth.com. So my favorite new reset, 3 fingers, 3 fingers, 3 fingers right here, and 3 fingers right back here so that you're getting right where that little divot is. You can feel it. Everybody has one right here. And you're going to breathe in and lift. And again. And one more. I just love that one. Everything in me calms down. That's a pituitary reset. From there, it's real easy to go right to the pineal, and there's a little indentation right here. So rubbing here, backward circle. This is extremely, both of these are very, very good to do before bedtime because many people find it helps with sleep. And then you can go right to a pineal reset. Put the heel of your palms right in that little crevice there and lift and breathe in. And again. And one more. Again, you should be feeling some relaxation. Always remember, pick the ones that you like, not every one that I do, because you may find that you like one, but not the others. Now I'm going to show you a few simple eye resets, because these can also help. First one is palming your eyes. So close your eyes, put your hands over your eyes, and just relax, breathe. And then you can open your eyes to let in a little bit of light. And it can really bring sparkle, life back to your eyes. Another thing that happens when you're on screens is you end up with tunnel vision and your eyes aren't moving. So another one of my favorites is to put my thumb here when I'm standing in front of a window. Look here, and then look like 30 feet out. Focus, 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 focus. Because that's allowing you to get some depth perception, and you lose that when you're sitting in front of a screen. Another thing that you could do that would be really helpful. I don't remember to do this one as often, but I know it's really good. As Forrest tells me all the time. When you go walking, you want to be able to increase your peripheral vision. Peripheral vision, the location of that is connected to senility, so you want to keep your brain active. So you might notice a fence post here, and as you're walking forward, see how long you can see the fence post before it disappears, and just allow your peripheral vision to kick in and operate, because you're losing it when you're focused on that screen. You're losing peripheral and you're losing depth. The last thing is just practicing breathing. My favorite, 4-2-4. Breathe in for 4, hold for 2. Now if you do your breathing and you're going, that's not what I'm talking about. Put your hands on your lower abdomen, and as you breathe in, see if you can breathe with your lower diaphragm going in and out versus your shoulders going up and down. So breathe in through your nose, hold. Play with it. Play through all of these and see what you notice. If you notice that your breathing shifts, it's a home run hit. If you notice you sigh, that's an even better home run hit. And if you yawn, wow, everything in your nervous system loved what you just did. So whether it's glasses for you, children or grandchildren, turning off technology before you go to bed, or trying any of these resets, play with it and let us know what 1 or 2 or 3 that you liked or that maybe helped your family, because that's how we all learn to take care of our brain and keep ourselves healthy.